How to use hashtags on X. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to use hashtags effectively on X or previously known as Twitter, what you're gonna do is, first of all, go to the X account. Now, in the bottom, you can see various options. Tap on the search one. After you do that, go to the trending, which is in the top. Now, you can see various trending hashtags over here that are related to your country. Now you can also select various hashtags from over here. Now while adding a tweet, what you can do is, first of all, go to the blue plus icon over here. After you do that, enter the hashtag symbol. Now you can see various hashtags over here as well, or you can enter your own keyword over here. However, you also have to make sure that you must write the keywords in one single word. You cannot give spaces and write a new one. So this is how you can use hashtags effectively on your tweets. Thank you.